Hello everyone, you're welcome to Edo Tafia Amibo YouTube channel, the best place for your news, entertainment and excitement. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't hesitate to subscribe to us, and while you are there, please click on the notification bell so that next time when we drop any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much and God bless you.
You too disgrace yourself. You are a disgrace. Very useless thing. You be disgrace. You not carry microphone. You carry microphone, they use not take the fool yourself. You not carry microphone. That girl, where they call her Ekia. Ekia na me they talk. Lovely. I want to talk to you. I don't feel be your senior sister. Just take me as a Facebook I want to talk as a Facebook nanalizer. Because I cannot take you, I cannot say I be your senior sister. Never will I be a sister to ex-prostitute. Look at what she was saying. Napoli. The time when they did Napoli, I they can't use you do live video. The day when I go ready, I they come. My area they seke. You go make seke. The time when they did Napoli, that they fuck them 10 euro. You know the shame. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? You know the shame. That why they say, she they speak English. Which English she they speak? Which English? London English? People know they speak Dutch. People know they speak Italy. People know they speak French. France. People, if you live in France, you speak French. People know they speak Dutch. When you live in Germany, you speak Dutch. That is why they call it Deutschland. People know they speak Norway. If you reach Norway, you they speak Norway. People know they speak Greek. If you live this year, you speak Greek. People not Igbo man not from Igbo come on go Bini, they speak Bini. Yoruba man from Yoruba go Bini, they speak Bini. This language. What is so special about us say they speak English? Which English they speak? Which English? English is a language which everybody can speak. We spoke it. What's there? What did they speak? What did she feel say she be? Who she be? Is she a retired prostitute or a new prostitute?
Hello my people, now well done. Welcome back again to Edo Tafia Amibo YouTube channel. How not day out outside? I hope everything dey okay. You know, if everything dey okay, make we give thanks to God Almighty. Baba God, you do well. You do well so much. As you don't put us for this festive period now, we know so you go lead us throughout the year and we go enter next year. Especially as this year where we say we did now 2020, we say worldwide, not just day okay for humanity. You know, for all humanities. You know, see some people still get that's what life they be. Some people simply say they get promotions and they're successful for this year and everything. But if you compare it to the population, to the rest population of the world, you see that one are just minuscule. Like the people you be say then this year better for them are just like really little. If you compare it to people you say this year really they bad for, and like a lot of people they say they'll remember this year today for the rest of their lives and things like that. Anyway, more just go on to the why we come here today, not because of what happened this year we come here. You know why we here because now for our sister Love Nehioya. Let me cause here, you know, because she really come out contact to this woman. I don't know what I call her. Some people they call her Jezebel. Some people say na Jezebel. Some people they call her say like Beakia. Now they just a name her. Some people they call her Ekia, and she say she be prostitute. You know, so now so she talk. You know what I mean? But what we can talk now? Say Love Nehioya come out for this woman. A lot of people don't come out for them. For how? A lot of people don't come out for her. I wish I go present for sure. I'll definitely present, but this one where I want to present now from Lovely Nehioya. Lovely Nehioya really can't talk the truth. The truth. Anybody who talks to Lovely Nehioya not talk truth. For what she talks to, you know, see that person, an evil person, a person who basically they wash women, then start to they touch their self, especially if you're a man. You know, see they wash woman through your screen or your TV, you start to they touch yourself, which is now down a pervert. What you call pervert. So now I just did it. So and then she really talked true about this thing, and then my video we say once I drop him, if anybody talks say maybe they want to insult Lovely Nehioya, maybe because of the truth we say she talked, they want to comment anyhow, I'll remove the comment and I'll block the person. and be waiting there. But if you make your constructive criticism right, say okay, this is now why you disagree with her, which is level AQ, you get me. But if you start to the right, say you want his hot time because she express her opinion, which widely our opinion as Africans we say we be, or as an African we say I know say that's something untrue she talk, then I'll block you. And I know, you know, as we once we block, we don't ever release the person again. And for sure, I'll remove your comment within the first 5 seconds. You go right, and so it will be of no need. You go even write any comment because here we follow our comment well. So I just want me to express that one because what did this woman they do so, or what did this girl they do, or what did this cat they do, whatever she they call her, or Jezebel, a really evil thing. And at the same time, she they destroy the image of Nigerians in general, Nigeria itself, and Nigerians too. Who will be Nigerians? Not just only the adults or whatever. No. Because every woman, we say, or every Nigerian, we don't come out on social media, all of them get because all of them get their chest, their breast. May I put them like that? You know what I mean? They get them. None of them, they daft. That is, none of them don't, never thought of that something. Say, okay, they get pekus. All of them know that one. But they never come out, come use their pekus. So they do any, like saying that one be the only talent they get. They don't get any other talent. You get me so? So the other day she come and sought her baby father. I mean, when you sought your baby father because the man say you know what I mean, born for her. You go force yourself born for her. Anyway, I don't want another day story. You get me so? More just day for the track of the day today. So Lovely Ikuya really come talk to this woman. She say Lovely Ikuya say she not care if this Ikuya Ogbedi go come out, come insult her. Say she don't care, but she go tell the truth and she go again come out for this Ikuya Ogbedi. You get me so? Now that one just did the website she talk. And we really believe say Lovely Ikuya throughout all our. Now I know say we not dey bias here. We not dey ever dey bias. Now that one just be the truth. So we believe say everything. Like we first talk as Africans or as even as humans, we say we get our own brain. We dissect everything. Can't stay in the middle and can't really make our own. You know what I mean? Like our own neutral. Stay in our neutral position, come from our neutral position, they view everything. We know say what he love in you are talking really fat. You get me? So a lot of people talk. And not feel they mention the name and not get the spoiler alert. So all those videos go still come for sure. Now a lot of people don't talk. You get me? So then we'll constantly talk our own too because we don't like me all those kind of things they exist at all. When nobody will give that kind of chance. We say nobody gets kids, woman not gets kids, she don't get talent, she don't get anything. She just sit now pekus. You know what I mean? And she'll tell they do everything because by doing that, they spoil the image of other women. Because if woman don't see, if somebody don't see your quick now, then the validity of other women, they go down, they deteriorate, or they go down. If man see another woman quick now, then another woman will say something not concern you. They use that height till they look at because they don't see everything where she gets through another woman where you put on quick. I don't know whether I understand what I talk so. I mean, you're not going to understand me. You don't understand. No one understand. Let me say you don't agree on the reality. Let me say you never understand. So now that one just did it. So any which way, make we just show some kind of clip. Where we say some kind of clip. Where we say this woman is your Ogbedi abi Ikuya Ogbedi abi Jezebel Ogbedi or whatever Ogbedi whatever she call herself. Now here's some kind of clip. Where we say what she dey talk. Whether it's supposed me any woman where we say this. Sin, we say I correct, or we say they gets more moral for our life. You get me? When it's up to me that kind of woman, they thought that kind of thing. You get me? So, and one time, you better say she won't even come and they give oh my God, they give advice to women on how to go on their relationship. This is not person where we say, this is not person where we say, first born for man. The man saying he never get paper, say he never ready to get picking, and you first born for her. The man wrong, he come on leave you not wrong because now what he first tell you. Now you born you first born for her, you say the father, now the man baby na spend donor. You get me? Anyway, all those one they come here, all those one not concerned with what they talking. All those one go come on the own. I be just waiting there. And anyway, my people, make we just join right now our sister Lovely Ikuya. She wants her to really talk to. I don't say this one and this Gwagwa because this one not be on purpose. This is not reality. You know what I mean? When somebody tell the real truth, that one not could be this Gwagwa. If somebody they tell you something where people say not be truth and just the purpose they tell you just to annoy you or anger you. Now that one be this Gwagwa. No, this now they talk to her. So more join like what I talk more join. Lovely Ikuya. She wants her to talk to Ikuya Ogbedi or whatever she calls herself. You know what I mean? Okay, my people now do well, and I'm gonna take care of now. selves and my family. You know what I mean? In this festive period, period, may God continue to bless you now. Now, bye bye.
The boy where I fuck today, he dey go London. Not in London. I'm in London. Uwe normal lazy. You fuck Toto, you lose your job. He not go even pay you because he water. Why when you dey remember the fuck, you get that power. Say ya me win away. Imami win away. Uheni ya wuyo. Sister, iyan boy una laloe. Ube ye mwen wa pion mwe varenya. Like we now we don't born. You know how our breast soft. You carry on like this. You put the two nipple for your mouth. You lick on. Lick life come off of the breast. It is sweet. Why? Runde kia. You know, come fuck me, you say, I'll call you, you're saying, Adebis. Ulu lawyer de, ulede. When me your meme wun kia.
Ekia. Yeah, see the disgrace when you give to yourself. See the host when you wear. You say now so now that they do that host. You won't tell me say there is no another host for market when they no put hole like that. Ekenekia na lawa he where pennies they enter na toto. You are a disgrace. If you like how insult me, you be disgrace. Whether they call that girl. You too disgrace yourself. You are a disgrace. Very useless thing. You be disgrace. You not carry microphone. You carry microphone, they use not take the fool yourself. You not carry microphone. That girl, whether they call her Ekia na me they talk. Lovely. I want to talk to you. I don't feel be your senior sister. Just take me as a Facebook I want to talk as a Facebook nanalizer. Because I cannot take you, I cannot say I be your senior sister. Never will I be a sister to ex-prostitute. Look at what she was saying. Napoli. The time when they did Napoli, I they can't use you do live video. The day when I go ready, I they come. My area they seke. You go make seke. The time when they did Napoli, that they fuck them 10 euro. You know the shame. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? You know the shame. That's why they say, she they speak English. Which English she they speak? Which English? London English? People know they speak Dutch. People know they speak Italy. People know they speak French. France. People, if you live in France, you speak French. People know they speak Dutch. When you live in Germany, you speak Dutch. That's why they call it Deutschland. People know they speak Norway. If you reach Norway, you they speak Norway. People know they speak Greek. If you live this year, you speak Greek. People not Igbo man not from Igbo come on go Benin. They speak Benin. Yoruba man from Yoruba go Benin. They speak Benin. This language. What is so special about us saying they speak English? Which English they speak? Which English? English is a language which everybody can speak. We spoke it. What's there? What did they speak? What did she feel say she be? Who she be? Is she a retired prostitute or a new prostitute? Because person tell na say, even wau na gemaya we mama we video. Wait till that one they do something for show. When I go bring a comment. He can't do that one a show. If not show, now you do this one. I say now black show. Now you do now say black. They bring a comment. People will say he not doing for Facebook. Now show for doing. You know. She they call the fool. I say she go buy speaker. No be okay. You they speak English. What do you learn? You don't learn anything. You know they say they speak English. She's not an English teacher. You they speak. You they spoke. Go meet. What did they call this girl? Is it Omo? One Ishan girl where they speak America. If they do makeup, you speak English. Rich like that girl. Now Ishan. If the guy they speak English, you think say if I go America, if they speak American English. Now American English, not that one they speak. You they speak London English. You they fool yourself. Yakawe kia tetero we Napoli. If you do a kia, they disgrace yourself. Okboru ni ategi awe kukuluku. Awe wobi, awe me, awe. Oh, this one my cause. Ihe, this is the beginning of una life. I will leak gbese. Ihe na mu no gbuwa. Kaka mu wa I go wan say here. They know they help us the return calls. Why I gbese? I will leak gbese. Who put one for juju different? Who they return the calls different? Una don't ever see her. They say, give what belongs to Caesar, and what belongs to God. Give it to God. No, they miss her. They give what it belongs to God to Caesar, what it belongs to Caesar to God. Is that possible? Go aladian, walk by uladian. Who you be? Well, I know it's all now need this sort. Now me, they talk to you. When they care, they talk to you. Can't insult me. I'm not saying. I was abused. Abused. Don't play with men. If they want to fool themselves, they will bring another story. I was abused. I will do Facebook. I will make up, sit down. Just not do life. If you want to insult me, Lovely doesn't care. I don't fucking care. A woman when they abuse, when men abuse for small pikin, you go see woman now when be say they rape. If he grow up, even if family go tell and say, why you no want marry? Do you know there is some men when be say, there is some women when be say they rape the time when they small pikin? They'll say no, they don't have anything to do with men. There is some girls when be say men rape. They'll say no, they don't have anything to. They know they go close to men, can't open yash, wear horse when you for the chook prick for your toto, where I come out for Facebook, you they fool yourself. I will tikun. I will leak gbese.